Okay, so I sectioned off my hair. I parted from ear to ear, and this is the front, and then this is the back. I put it in 4 quadrants. So I won't be getting to that, I don't know when. But anyways, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna get started on the front. Last time I got started on the back. So I'm gonna get started on the front. I have my mirror down here, so that's what I'm looking at. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. this is Mo's World. I'm Mo. Thank you for coming back, for all you returning subscribers, and if you're new here, welcome to the fam. If you enjoy the content you see here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the red subscribe button and then the bell icon right beside it so you're alerted to all new videos. Okay guys, I have finished retightening my hair. It definitely took longer this time. I honestly don't remember how long. I started keeping up with the hours and I just got to a point where I was like, oh, forget about it. So I did it over the course of 4 days, Thursday through Sunday. I finished Sunday early afternoon around, say around 1 o'clock. Thursday I did about 30 minutes. Friday, I don't remember, maybe 3.5. I say 3 to 4 hours on Friday. And Saturday I did, I say 3 to 4 hours. And then on Sunday I did about 3.5. One of those days is off. One of those days I only did like 2 hours. So we're ranging between 10 to 12 hours for this retightening. That's to keep it in a nutshell, it's 10 to 12 hours because I really don't remember. I didn't, like I said, I didn't keep count of everything. I just decided not to. It was some work this time, y'all. The last retightening I did, my very first one, I did it after about 4.5 weeks for my last retightening. And this time it was a full 2 months. So 8 weeks. And there was definitely a huge difference with the retightening process. It took longer. Definitely more rotations per lock. A lot of marrying between the locks. It took more concentration and I had to take more breaks because I was getting frustrated and just trying to pull locks through and was combining locks and and all said and done, none of my locks are combined. I uncombined them or snipped something. Anyways, they're not combined. And I've got, I think, 2 knots. One so small you'll never see it. The other one is a little bit of a doozy. But once it grows out, I'll be able to fix it. It's just tightened so much. And I didn't realize I didn't pull all the way through in one of the earlier ones. Yeah, I can't fix it until it loosens up some. So it happens. Definitely not crying over spilled milk. Definitely still enjoy the process of retightening my own hair. It still feels extremely accomplishing and I couldn't see myself going back to a consultant when I could do it myself. So definitely want to encourage you all. If that's something you want to do, if you're thinking about it, just go ahead and do it. I watched YouTube videos and I figured it out and just kind of did it. When you realize it's your hair, you did your hair well before, well, if you did your hair, you did your hair before you even got locks. It's still your hair. Do what you gotta do, you know? It saves money. It's definitely not more convenient or more time efficient. Definitely not. It's definitely faster for a loctician to do it. But at the end of the day, you get to do it on your time schedule versus theirs, and you do get to save, you know, your coins. So there's definitely payoffs, there's definitely pros and cons, but for me it's definitely what I prefer. But I'm going to show you my hair now. my baby locks. Let me see, here's one. It's a baby lock. Here's another baby lock. And I got two more. Those two. Okay, so yeah, hair is doing well. Love it being retightened. I can feel my scalp. I can feel air on my scalp. It's like, oh, struggle is real, y'all. Struggle is real. So, and until next time, I hope this video finds you blessed. Take care. Bye.